This will be a cab control video, 35D John Deere mini excavator. Over here, these levers for your travel. Left track, right track, forward, reverse. Down here on the floor we got our pedals. The pedals on this machine fold up out of the way. If you're not traveling very far or using them much, you can get them out of the way. Give you a little extra foot room down there on the floor. Pretty nice feature on this Deere. This pedal over here, flip this guard out of the way. This will swing your boom left or right without swinging the upper structure in the excavator. Air gauge panel. Let's see. Just control lockout. Joysticks. This one over here is, this one's configured on Deere controls right now. These have a switch on them. You can change them. It's underneath the seat here. Behind this compartment. Right down here, you just flip this down. Cat controls. Back up and give you Deere controls. We got our boom up, boom down, swing right, left. Over on this side, got stick out, stick in, dump, hurl on our bucket. This toggle up here runs the auxiliaries for the thumb. Here we got our ignition switch. Over here on the other side is throttle. Over here, headlights, travel speed, fast, slow, fast. Windshield wiper, washer switch, auto idle. This one will cut off your travel alarm. Heat, AC controls, digital panel. It's a pretty roomy cab for a mini excavator. I'm 6'4", 330. I got plenty of room in here. The thing I like about it is the space down on the floor. Normally on a mini excavator, my feet are crammed in there. I can't even move them. This one's got all kinds of room. So overall, it's a pretty nice machine. One more feature, we got a dozer blade on here, this lever, and it does have an angle feature on it. These two buttons here will angle the blade back and forth. That's pretty much everything.